The next one. So there is another example. If this particular function, this is called fractional part and this is integral function, that is greatest integer function. These two are being denoted. Denote respectively fractional and integral parts of the real number x, then the solution set of this expression. I am expected to find the solution of 4 into fractional part of x. It is equal to greatest integer function x plus the x value. I want to solve this one. What are the values of x that satisfies the value, this equation? And we know that the fractional part of the function x is equal to, what is fractional part? It is supposed to be x minus of greatest integer function. This is supposed to be the fractional part of this particular function, and it is defined in the form of this one, x minus of greatest integer function, and it always gives you the fractional value. Example, for example, if I suppose 2.3, okay, I want to find what is this. It is 2.3, x is 2.3 minus of greatest integer function of 2.3. So what happens here? It gives you, this is 2.3 minus 2, it is what? 0.3. So therefore this we call it as fractional part. And if I substitute in place of fractional part this expression here, this is 4 into, what do I get? It is x minus of greatest integer function, okay, this is equal to greatest integer function plus x. So if I simplify this one, I've got 4x here, and if I transfer x on this side, I'll get 3x. This is 3x, and I have a minus 4x. If I transfer that on that side, I will get, it is 5 into greatest integer function. So I can also write x is equal to, it is 5 by 3. I am getting an equation like this into greatest integer function. Okay. So now we have to just verify the answers which are given, which can satisfy this condition. That is sufficient now. I don't have to calculate the value of x here. I can easily verify the answer which are given. See, for example, if I substitute 5 by 3, if I substitute x is equal to 5 by 3 here, I will verify that one here. If x is equal to 5 by 3, what is that? 5 by 3 is on the left hand side. I am just trying to verify the values. X is equal to 5 by 3, and that is equal to 5 by 3 into what? The greatest integer value of 5 by 3. What is it equal to? 5 by 3 stands for, it is 1 point something. So therefore the greatest integer value is 1, and hence it is 5 by 3. So equality is satisfied. So x is equal to 5 by 3 is a solution. So now let us verify 0 also, because there is one more value. It is not the only value, because 0 is also added here. You can just observe in the third option, 0 and 5 by 3. So let us verify for 0 also. When I put x is equal to 0, I can easily see that 0 on the left hand side, which is equal to 5 by 3 into greatest integer value of that one is again 0. Therefore it is equal to 0. Equality is satisfied. Therefore I can get x is equal to two solutions, 0, 5 by 3. So hence this becomes the answer. So what is the prerequisite for this one? What is to be known in order to solve this problem? I should know about this fractional part. The nature of this fractional part, if it is known, you can substitute in this place and solve, you can get the answer easily. So this is how the problems can be solved within stipulated time if some important information required is very well known to you.